Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Garry's Mod. To begin your adventure, understand that Garry's Mod is a unique sandbox experience with no predefined goals. It's all about creativity and experimentation. You'll spend your time manipulating objects, building contraptions, and interacting with the game's robust physics engine. The possibilities are truly endless, limited only by your imagination and the tools at your disposal. Let's dive into the essential controls. You'll navigate the world using the standard WASD keys for movement, and your mouse will control your camera view. Two crucial items in your arsenal are the fist gun and the tool gun. The fist gun lets you grab, move, and freeze objects with ease. The versatile tool gun, on the other hand, provides a wide range of functions, from welding items together to spawning new entities. Building in Garry's Mod is incredibly fun and intuitive. Press the Q key to open your spawn menu, which is your gateway to countless props, tools, and non-player characters. From here, you can spawn anything from simple crates to complex vehicles or even ragdolls. Once spawned, use your tool gun to manipulate these items. You can weld them, freeze them in place, or even constrain them together to build elaborate structures. Beyond the sandbox, Garry's Mod boasts a vibrant community with countless game modes. Explore popular options such as Trouble in Terrorist Town, Prop Hunt, or Dark RP, each offering distinct gameplay. You can join various community servers to experience these modes with other players on unique maps. Don't forget to browse the Steam Workshop for thousands of free add-ons, expanding your game with new tools, models, and content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.